I turned 500 cedis to 4,000 cedis in 2 days, and I'm going to show you how I did it using this setup, that is this strategy. Alright, so first of all, you guys know how I trade with price action and SMC. So you can see the flow of the market. BTC has been dropping to the downside. When you look at the big picture, Bitcoin is dropping to the downside. So already I was looking for sell, and you can see when price got into this area here, see there was actually a reaction here, and there was another reaction at this place. So down here too, there was a touch here, there was a touch here. So I was expecting another touch down here. You can see price has been trapped in this range, that is this consolidation. So I should be expecting for more sell to the downside. All right, so guys, now let me show you. We have this push to the downside, this push, we have this retracement, push, retracement here, and based on the confirmation that I used for entry, price came here, came back, then the entry was here to the downside. This setup was this setup was documented on TikTok from Monday. So this was actually Tuesday trade, or yeah, it was Wednesday trade. You can see it was Thursday trade. Actually, look down there, you can see it's Thursday, 26 March. And I always tell you people that if you want to pick an entry, that is, if you want straight entry, that is, you want whatever you want, setup. If you see a setup and you want to pick the setup, always make sure that, let's say this is your zone for the entry, and let's say price is hopping on the trade like this. If price enters your zone, now what you're looking for is confluence for the trade. All right, so every trader has a way of trading, that is the confluence they want to take the trade with. Okay, so it tap in first and it push. You can see the first tapping was here and there was a push. Second tapping came all the way to the upside. You can see it was here. Second tapping came all the way to the upside, and you can see this was the first one. Second one went over the first one. Have you seen that? Okay, so now that means we had that liquidity sweep at the top of the candle. I'm talking about this place. You have this place taking out like this. You see, take the high of this one. So you can see if that one happens, then we say we have this sweep. So your entry will be when price comes inside. You can take the trade somewhere here. The stop loss should be above the previous high, like this one, and you target the low of this one like this. Okay, so that is your first entry, or you can wait for price to come down again, push up. This can be your second entry to the downside, guys. So this is the setup on BTC, and you can see that was my first entry. You can see whatever I'm talking about happened perfectly right here. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So the 1 hour time frame, you can see what happened. We have this area here as our entry zone. The first tapping to the downside, price went up, the previous high, went down, came back again. That was the entry to the downside, guys. So the second trade was on gold. Let me show you XAUUSD. That was where the second trade, we took the second trade to let's come here. So you can see gold is pushing to the upside. You can see how gold is behaving, guys. So that is it. You need to go by with the flow. So there was a push, there was a push, you see, and there was a push, you see. So actually I knew that we are in an uptrend. This is actually a big time frame retracement, because when you look at the current trend right here, gold is dropping. Okay, so it's actually trying to push, and then we see whether it will continue the sell, or we are continue the overall trend, which is the sell, which is the buy. So I have this confirmation here on the smaller time frame, that is the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes. Scalp this trade somewhere around here. So initially my first TP was here, my second TP was here. You can see first TP got hit, and then price retreats back. Okay, so guys, that is it. This is a clean setup. Follow, subscribe to the channel for more educational videos.